Guys, I'm back today with another video. This one is going to be a straight out the box brought to you by the company MyFirstWig. But before I get started on all the details, guys, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. Also turn those notifications on so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Guys, some of the items that came in the package, and you can purchase those individually on the website to come with your wig. Now this unit I'm showing you is the Dominique Dark Burgundy Wavy Lace Front. This one is in the length 20 inches, 130% in density. It's a Yaki texture, and I have the cap size 1. This unit does come with your 6 inches of parting space, and it also comes with bleach knots. You have the option of choosing light bleach knots or deep bleach knots. Either way, you don't have to worry about doing that work. And as far as the cap construction, you get 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back, your adjustable strap, and you also get your elastic adjustable band just to help keep the wig secure. I am going to end up cutting some of the lace off around my ear. It's a very small amount, and I really didn't have to cut into the hair too much. And I'm also going to end up plucking some of the hair around the hairline. Now, this unit does come with the pre-plucked hairline already. However, I just wanted to do it a little bit more. You definitely don't have to. You can wear it as is, but I just wanted to thin it out just a little bit, just a little bit. And at first I was only going to thin out right in the areas that I plucked, and then I ended up just going around and plucking a little bit more out all the way around. So I do feel like the extra plucking helped out a lot. It helped to kind of make it a little bit more realistic. And of course, because it was already pre-plucked, I did not have to go in and use too much elbow work to thin it out. Just going to work on cutting off this lace, and I love this lace because it is the tinted transparent Swiss lace, and it's very easy to blend in. On the website you have the option of picking light brown and also medium brown, but you should have no problems blending this into your skin. Melt this down. I am going to be using my Got To Be spray, and I'm just going to spray on top of the lace. I'm not going to use a lot because a little bit definitely goes a long way. And then I will be taking my blow dryer to speed up the process, using my rat tail comb to make sure to press the lace in so I don't have to worry about any of the lace rolling up in the front. After everything is dried down and I make sure the lace is in place, I'm going to be taking a little bit of hairs on the side. You guys see I did not pull out too many hairs because I do not like my baby hairs to look really thick. And I'm going to be using that same spray that I used to mold the lace down to swoop those hairs over. Now, I like using the spray sometimes just because I feel like it does give it a nice natural look and it doesn't come off too harsh. After I am happy with the way that that looks, I'm just going to go in with the wax stick, and this is just going to help with flyaways and just to kind of smooth everything out. And then I'm going to kind of fix up my parting space just a little bit. Now this does come pre-parted in the middle already, but of course, because you get 6 inches of parting space, you can definitely part this unit on the side if you would like. And then I'm just gonna take my hot comb and begin to press everything out around the hairline area and also at the top by the parting space area. Of course, all the products that I am using in this video can be found down below in the description area. Guys, seen from the unboxing in the beginning, this hair does come already pre-curled, and when you comb it out or brush it out, you're going to get a nice wave pattern. So I went ahead and brushed it out so I could see exactly what it looks like. But I am going to go in with my big wand curler, and I am going to add a little bit more waves to the front just so it could be a little bit more defined. But of course, if you want to just wear it the way it came out of the box, then you definitely can. As you guys can see, it is giving me a nice curl pattern. However, with Yaki texture, the curls will fall very quick. So you want to go in with some holding spray if you want your curls to last a long time. Now, I only focus in the front area just because I did not feel like the back of the hair needed to be recurled. I just wanted it to be a little bit more defined in the front part. Space already looked good, but I want to open it up a little bit more. So I'm going to go in with my Ruby Kisses 3D Contour Creator Powder Palette in the color light medium. And then I'm going to go around the hairline area, but I'm not putting too much powder around the hairline in the front just because I really didn't feel like it was needed. So I'm going to take my Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Serum and run that throughout the hair, making sure to kind of smooth it through. This is going to help protect against any type of frizziness and flyaways, especially with me fluffing up the hair so much. So guys, this is the final look of this dark burgundy hair, and I am loving it. And of course, I'm loving it even more because it is in the Yaki texture, which you guys know is my favorite texture just because I feel like it looks so natural and realistic for every day. And it does start at 12 inches. 20 inches is the longest length. And the density on this looks great to me. For 130% density, I feel like this looks super full. And I have tried their straight units in the Yaki texture, and I still feel like the 130% is just enough. Hairline on this looks great. Of course, I did go in and pluck a little bit more, but I love the lace because it blended in so well. That parting space looks good. The color up close looks great. And I love that you can wave this to switch your style up. And of course, you can restyle it and flat iron it. So guys, let me know what you think about this dark burgundy hair. If you are feeling it, I'm going to make sure to leave the links down below in the description area. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.